How to check if your Labubu is authentic. The first thing you want to do to check if your Labubu is authentic is to check the packaging. Authentic Labubu packaging features a matte finish with smooth textures and embossed details on the series name, while fake ones often have glossy, uneven surface. You want to look for the muted pastel colors and clean printing on the box, and check for the holographic sticker with a QR code on the back for added verification. Next thing you want to do is examine the holograph sticker with the Popmart logo on the top right of the package. An authentic Labubu will have the Popmart logo neatly printed with a three-dimensional effect, giving it a premium appearance. The logo appears roughly printed in fake versions with squashed letters and no depth. Additionally, you also want to check the QR code on the hologram sticker. The QR code on the genuine package is printed sharply and clearly, while counterfeit packaging often features blurry, poorly processed QR codes. Next thing you want to do is examine the face and teeth. The face of a real Labubu has a smooth matte finish with crisp paint lines, glossy eyes, and embedded into the vinyl. Fake Labubus, on the other hand, has sloppy painting, unpolished features, and dark blush colors. You also want to feel Labubu's fur and material quality. Labubu plush dolls have soft, fluffy fur with seamless stitching that blends perfectly into the vinyl face. Fakes use coarse, cheap materials with visible stitches and frayed threads. Lastly, you want to verify the identity card, accessories, and Labubu packaging details. Real Labubu keychains and dolls come up with well-printed identity card in pastel tones. Fakes often lack these inclusions or have blurry and low-printed prints. Now, you can easily check if your Labubu is authentic. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.